Welcome to this detailed tutorial on adding a frequently asked questions section to your WordPress blog posts and pages in just 5 minutes. In this walkthrough, you will learn how to log into WordPress, create a new page specifically for your FAQ content, and publish it for your audience. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to WordPress. Once the website loads, take a moment to locate the login option typically found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will lead you directly to the authentication screen. After you click on the login button, you will be presented with various login options. For simplicity and ease, select the option that says Continue with Google. This option is particularly convenient because it allows you to use your existing Google account for authentication. When you choose this option, you will be asked to select the appropriate Google account if you have multiple accounts set up. This method not only speeds up the login process, but also ensures your credentials remain secure. Once you have successfully logged in using your Google account, the next step is to navigate to the Pages section of your WordPress dashboard. The Pages area is where you can view, manage, and create new pages on your website. Look for a link or menu item that leads you to Pages. Once there, you will see an interface listing all your current pages, if any. With the Pages section in view, it is time to create a new page that will serve as your FAQ section. In the Pages area, click on the option to add a new page. This action brings you to the page editor where you have the flexibility to design your layout and add content as needed. The page editor is user-friendly and allows you to integrate various types of blocks to build your content. After the new page interface has loaded, you should start by setting a clear and descriptive title. Type in Frequently Asked Questions as the title of your new page. This title immediately informs visitors that they are in the right place to find answers to common queries about your content or services. Following the title, the next step is to add the necessary blocks to further structure your content. In the WordPress editor, you have the freedom to insert different blocks such as details or paragraphs, which can help you organize your FAQ items neatly and professionally. Use the details block if you prefer a collapsible format for each question and answer. Alternatively, if you want a straightforward format, the paragraph block allows you to write out the questions and answers in a simple and elegant manner. Choose the block type that best suits your design preference and the way you want your content to appear to your visitors. When you are satisfied with the way your page has been set up and all the FAQ content is in place, the final step is to make your page publicly accessible by clicking on the Publish button. This action will save all your work and update your website to include the new Frequently Asked Questions page. Once published, visitors to your site will be able to view the FAQ section, providing them with quick and easy access to important information. By following these steps, you have now successfully added a Frequently Asked Questions section to your WordPress blog posts and pages. This process not only enhances the organization of your content, but also improves the overall user experience for your audience. Enjoy the benefits of a clearer, more accessible site, and feel free to explore additional customization options in WordPress to tailor the FAQ section further to your needs.